20 of the bloom cycle. Today is water day. 1 drop of pH down to that gallon. 1 drop to that gallon. And 1 drop to that gallon. Shake them up, water them up. This is day 20 of the bloom. We fertilized 2 days ago. We are on day 22 of the bloom cycle. Today we water. We're at 57% humidity on the humidifier and 59 on the meter on the wall. We've already added our drop of pH down. We'll drain the water if needed, and everything looks good. And as we can see, this one is way farther along. So these shorter type are farther along than any, well, out of the big ones. Now they're all the taller ones aren't as far as along, are not as far as along as the shorter ones. And that'll do it for the watering on day 20. All the plants are looking good. They're coming along. I did see 3 fungal root gnats in here yesterday. I don't see any this morning. Pretty sure we took care of them. There goes one right there. Okay, so they're still around, not many. I seen like 5 of them yesterday. The humidifier we got has been working just fine. It was reading 58, it just jumped to 59. And the thing up here on the wall is reading 60. So the humidifier has been working just fine. It has a shutoff at 60, so it won't go above it. So that's as high as this goes. So if you wanted it, say at 75 to 80 during the growth cycle, this humidifier won't do it. It'll go as much as 60. It keeps the room at least 50, 52. So the humidifier has been working fine. We got a humidifier for the room because the humidity was stuck right around 35, which isn't enough to have the plant open up and have the complete flow of the nutrients in the water just coming up through the stem and just perspirating off, an even flow just coming through the plant. So now we're running the humidifier and we have it at 54. It was at 55, now it says 53. So it fluctuates a little bit and it'll shut off at 60. So this will work just fine for bringing up the humidity to get the nicer sized buds. In our other temperature we have on the wall, all the humidity's running 60 up there. So we're in a good range. Now it just said 59 because I'm probably bringing it down by here. And room temperatures in the 70 degrees is the optimum. 72, 70 degrees is fine.